Welcome, guys. I hope you all are doing good. So today I have with me the another series, and I hope once I will ask again. I hope you are doing the homework, whatever I am giving you, and feel free to ask questions about the dry runs if you have any. Okay. So today I have one more question for the series, and it is like sum of first n terms, slight difference from the previous ones, like it is 1 plus x square, and then what is the value we got after the squaring, then we divide it by 2, here x cube, and then we divide it by 3, the result. It is not we will like take it to the power, okay, otherwise it will be x only, because this will be 1.0. So it is like squaring and then dividing. So for this it is almost similar to the previous one. Let's jump to this one, how we will start. So as we are doing, we are like x is int, we'll take a number from the user, and then we will take it like enter value for capital X, and then we are doing for small n, it is int input enter value for n. Now as we set s equals to 0, the initial sum. Now we have to run a loop. So initially we have started by for x in range. So generally I will go with like 1 plus. So it is like 0 to, I will go with like, as we done this one in the previous one, I will simply say s equals to s plus, we will set it like x square and power by this. So that is the previous one we discussed till now. Okay, then I will say print f. Here I will say is like it's a sum of series is, I will say here s. Okay, so let's run to this one. If I say, I will hold on, this is the for x square x cube. So let's do it for the division. So I'll put it like here, I will say this one, then I will put it like x. So this will simply, can you guess what is the output for x equals to 4, n equals to, I will say 2. So can you guess what is the output for capital X equals to 4 and n equals to 2? Take a pause here and give your answer in a comment section. It's 1 plus, majorly says 1 plus 5, so it will give you 5 there. 1 plus 4 is 5, but no, it's give you error. And why it gives you error? Look at that, here it is. It will give you an error because when you divide, when you perform a division for here, here, okay, it will be x. So this will be here, it will perform division and x is 0. So initially, like it says 1, okay, then plus x is like it will divide it by 0. That's why it is giving you the runtime error, which is 0 division error, division by 0. So how we will handle this? Take a pause. How we will handle this? Think. No? Straightforward. We will start by 1 here. Okay, so it will start by 1 here, and we will say s becomes 1. So initially I will take s1 and we will then move to this one. So it's like 1 to n. So it becomes n minus 1 terms here, and 1 is already there. So this time it will work. So small trick is there. Think for it. And then like for that you have to think actually. So if I say 4 and 2, it will give you 5. And you can pick any number. So for this one, I'm not going to give you try run. That is your homework. And with the while loop, you have 2 tasks here. So both is a homework. Drop in a comment box